Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Apple iPhone 8 Plus, and unfortunately I have a cracked screen. It wasn't something I was looking forward to, but it happened. It's shattered now. So today's finally the time for me to change the screen on this iPhone, and I'll have the parts and the tools listed down below in my description box. And now, without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the iPhone 8 Plus screen replacement kit that I bought. It comes with some screwdrivers, the picks, and the screen replacement itself. And before we get started, I do want to mention, if you've changed an iPhone screen before, like the 5 or the 6 or the 6 Pluses, those screen replacements were a lot easier to do. This is a lot more intensive. There's a lot more extra screws, extra brackets that you're going to have to open compared to the previous generation phones. But as long as you follow all the steps in my video, by the end of this video, you will have a working iPhone 8 Plus with a brand new screen. So without wasting any time, now let's get started. So we're going to start off by opening both the screws underneath the iPhone. Once these screws are open, you're most likely not going to be able to use the suction cup to pull up your iPhone 8 Plus screen. So what you're going to do is grab one of these picks and slowly slide your way all the way around the screen. What you're doing right now is basically ripping through the adhesive tape. We're going to go all the way around, cut our way through it. And now our iPhone's going to have a bit of a gap. Once you see this gap, you're going to start lifting up the screen and you're going to open it like this, just like a book. Now we're going to take off this bracket, and there's a few screws around it, and make sure you organize and sort these screws out correctly because all these screws are different sizes and different types. Once that bracket and the screws are out, we're going to unplug these two flex cables. And then we're going to do the same with the other side. There's a smaller bracket with two screws. We're going to open that and take off the flex cable as well. Now there are numerous other screws that you're going to open on the top of the screen side and the bottom of the screen side for the home button, the speaker, and the camera as well. So please follow along on all the screws that I open and the brackets and the flex cables and the hardware that I remove. And then we'll begin with the screen replacement. And now it's time for the screen replacement. We've completely removed the old screen, and now we're going to remove this protective film cover. And then we're going to maneuver these flex cables through this old plate that we took off from the previous screen. And then we're going to secure it in place with the screws that we removed earlier. And now it's all just the reverse process. We're going to put everything back into place. So again, please follow along. I'm going to share these step by step with you guys. So until then, please follow along. I'm going to share this with you guys step by step. Now that everything is back in place, we're going to connect these flex cables back onto the logic board, and then we're going to turn on the iPhone. It's always a great idea to test your screen before you completely close down the iPhone, and also check your camera as well. Make sure everything is working, and in my case it is. The home button, the touch ID, the camera, screen itself, everything is working correctly. So I'm going to close everything up. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy screen replacement on your iPhone 8 Plus. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share button. And please subscribe to Tech Treatment. I'm going to be having a lot more videos. So I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.